Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we will be checking out this new Jamaican restaurant in our area called Dr.Bird's. So we're finally here at Dr.Bird's. Now we have been meaning to come here for a couple of weeks. We're finally here. Let's check them out and see what they're all about. Now guys, just walking into this place, amazing. We love the attention to details. Like that vibes, that Caribbean vibes. So many things make you feel like you're in the Caribbean. You guys will see what I'm talking about. Okay guys, so we're here at Dr. Bird's and we're going to be trying some of the Jamaican food here. It's a pretty new place, so we're just gonna be giving you some ideas about what we think about the food, the location, and everything else. So stay tuned. Now this at the back is one of my favorite pieces in the restaurant. I just love the use of the old pieces of wood. It's just beautiful. So it is the 4th of July and the restaurant still had quite a number of people patronizing. So I guess not everybody was out at a barbecue.
Nice music.
No, the vibes here is definitely awesome. Music is on point, nice Caribbean reggae music. However, you can't hear any of it because of me trying to not have copyright issues, so I just have to talk over and play other music instead. So the first thing that we're trying are the patties, and we're having some drinks as well. Hubby is having a Liberation Hi-Fi. Liberation Hi-Fi, yes. And I am having Mother's something colada. I can't remember. I have to check the menu out.
I just want to make sure that I'm not eating yours.
Hey babe, how does it taste?
This tastes good,
Yeah?
but unfortunately I don't know if it's beef patty, chicken patty.
Okay, it doesn't taste like beef?
Sure.
Okay.
I know it's, it's a little bit spicy.
And is it good?
It's good, it tastes good.
Now let's continue looking at the whole setup of this place. As I said, I love this bar kitchen area. The use of the old wood, the galvanized zinc roof gives you that vibes of, going into a community shop, some kind of shop at the side of the road, some cook shop or whatever that you have on the side of the road, and to buy some food, Yeah, so let me know what you think. Let me know if you like the ambiance. And that Dr. Bird sign, I love it. So hubby decided to get the jerk chicken wings with black pepper rice, some steamed cabbage, and festival. That's what dinner comes with. So he just had the jerk chicken wings, and it comes with a choice of rice. There's a coconut rice versus black pepper rice. He chose the black pepper rice and festival and so. And now your girl has the rasta pasta with jerked shrimp. One thing I like about this place, food comes out fast. Like you were not there sitting for like a whole minute before the food came out. Timing wise, they were really on point. I'm getting ready to dig in. I'll let you know what I think. Hubby is already digging into his plate. So we'll get his thoughts after. Okay guys, so can we talk about this drink? I'ma get the name. I know it's Mother's something colada. It is so good. It's a virgin colada, but it's so good. So good. Now we had the opportunity to sit down and speak with the owners. They're two brothers, and trust me, these guys are so humble. It was a pleasure meeting them. Our tummies were filled with food, so we were all smiles. Okay, guys, so we just left Dr. Bird's and we're heading home. It's 4th of July, as I said before, and so there's a lot of things going on around, fireworks, noise everywhere. So let's talk a little bit about our experience at Dr. Bird's. Okay, so babe, how was your overall experience?
It was a great experience for a new restaurant.
Okay.
It was good.
Yeah, I agree. I think it was a really good experience. And in terms of the let's talk about the different parts, like the food, the service, the location, the ambiance.
Yeah.
What do you think about the location?
The location is a great location. That area generally is super busy. But unfortunately we went there on July 4th.
Right, true.
So, you don't see that much traffic on that day.
Okay, yeah, that's true. Yeah. Okay, the location. And what about the ambiance?
The ambience is good. They were playing the right music. They had the right service and everything. So it was good. I really
Okay.
liked that.
Yeah, for me, the decoration, like, I totally love the decoration, the attention to detail, the use of the zinc, the old wood, just the artwork. There's so many little things, the pictures on the wall, really, really good. I really love the ambiance. And how about the service? Yeah, what about the service?
The service was good. I'm not too sure if I was eating a chicken or beef patty.
Oh, yeah, remember we weren't too sure, right?
Yeah, but it tastes good.
Yeah, that was like one of the only hiccups.
That's the only thing I would say about the service.
That was like on the not so, but overall.
It's good.
Yeah, the timing too.
Oh my, it was fast. They have a lot of other takeout, but we had our food on time.
Yeah, that's true.
That's the best we got.
Yeah, that's
so
true.
far.
And how about the food itself? What would you say?
Oh my.
What did you have again? You had the jerk.
I had
you had the jerk.
something like a black pepper
rice,
black pepper rice,
and the jerk.
jerk,
Chicken wings, yeah.
wings. It tastes good. I like the fact that it was a little sweet.
Okay. Yeah, for me, I had the jerk. I had the rasta pasta with jerk shrimp, and it was jerk, but a little sweet too. In the beginning, I wasn't too sure, but overall, I really enjoyed it. Of course, it was spicy, but it was that little sweet part that I wasn't too sure about. So overall, we'd say we had a good experience.
It was a good experience.
Okay, sounds good. So if we had to give it a score, what would you give it?
I'll give it 9.
Okay, I'll give it 8.5. I'm a bit more critical.
Well, I'll give it 9 for the extra attention to detail that they have in the decoration.
Yeah, true.
Using natural stuff for the decoration.
True.
I like that.
Yeah, that was good. So overall, we had a great experience.
It was.
Thumbs up. Yeah, Dr. Bird, thumbs up.
Thumbs up. Now let's enjoy the fireworks.
Now, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share with your friends. Until next time, toodles!